Imagine sipping on a refreshing, vibrant papaya smoothie, a concoction brimming with tropical flavors and health benefits. Picture the sweet and slightly musky flavor of ripe papaya blending perfectly with the cool creaminess of yogurt. As you take a sip, the smoothie glides down your throat, leaving a lingering taste of the tropics on your tongue. But this isn't just a delicious treat. Oh no, it's a symphony of nutrition dancing in a glass. This smoothie is a powerhouse of digestive enzymes, particularly papain, which aids in breaking down proteins in your gut. It's a natural way to promote a healthy digestive system and enhance gut health, so whether you've overindulged at dinner or are simply seeking a tasty way to keep your gut happy and healthy, this papaya smoothie is your answer. It's not just a drink, it's a natural health enhancer. Stay tuned to discover how to whip up this healthful delight in your own kitchen. Dive into the world of papaya, a fruit that's not only delicious but also packed with health-enhancing properties. Let's take a closer look at this tropical treasure and discover why it's such a star in the world of nutrition. Papaya, known scientifically as Carica papaya, is a fruit native to Central and South America, but its incredible health benefits have made it popular worldwide. The first thing to know about papaya is its contribution to digestion. This fruit is a powerhouse of enzymes, especially one called papain. Papain is a proteolytic enzyme, meaning it helps break down proteins into their individual amino acids, thus aiding digestion. So if you've ever had a heavy meal and felt uncomfortable afterwards, a slice of papaya or a glass of papaya smoothie could be your saving grace. But wait, there's more to papaya than just enzymes. This fruit is a veritable treasure trove of vitamins. Vitamins A and C in particular are found in abundance in papaya. Vitamin A is essential for eye health and boosts the immune system, while vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, fights off harmful free radicals and supports overall health. And then there's fiber. Fiber is crucial for a healthy gut. It aids digestion, helps maintain bowel health, and can lower cholesterol levels. And guess what? Papaya has plenty of it. A single medium-sized papaya contains about 3 grams of fiber. That's around 10% of your daily fiber needs, making it a great choice for those aiming for a balanced diet. Moreover, the magic of papaya extends beyond digestion. It's also known to promote heart health, reduce inflammation, and even support weight loss. To sum up, papaya is a fruit that combines taste and health in a delightful package. It's a powerhouse of enzymes, vitamins, and fiber that can enhance digestion, boost immunity, and contribute to overall health. With such an array of benefits, who wouldn't want to incorporate papaya into their diet? Scene script. Ready to create your own papaya smoothie? Gather these simple ingredients and you're good to go. First off, you'll need a ripe papaya. Look for one that feels soft when you press it gently. You'll need about 2 cups of diced papaya for this recipe. Now, papayas are a powerhouse of nutrients and are known for their digestive benefits, but if you can't find one, feel free to substitute with mango or peach, which also have a sweet, tropical flavor. Next up is a banana. 1 medium-sized banana should do the trick. Bananas add a creamy texture to our smoothie and are loaded with potassium, which can help keep your heart healthy. But if you're not a banana fan, or if you're following a low-sugar diet, you can use half an avocado instead, which also adds creaminess and is packed with healthy fats. Then, you'll need a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk gives our smoothie a velvety texture and a subtle, nutty flavor. If you have a nut allergy, or if you prefer a different milk alternative, feel free to substitute with oat milk or coconut milk. We're also going to add a tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds add a bit of crunch and are packed with fiber, which can help keep you feeling full longer. If you don't have chia seeds on hand, you can use flax seeds or hemp seeds instead. Lastly, we'll add a dash of honey for sweetness. Now, honey is optional, and you can adjust the amount based on your taste preference. If you're vegan, you can substitute with maple syrup or agave nectar, and that's it. That's all you need to make a delicious and healthful papaya smoothie. Now, while you're getting your ingredients ready, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot more helpful recipes coming your way. With your ingredients at the ready, it's time to blend. Scene script. Transform your kitchen into a tropical paradise as you blend up your very own papaya smoothie. Imagine the smell of a ripe, juicy papaya wafting through your kitchen as you prepare to make a smoothie that's not only delicious but also beneficial for your gut health. Let's start with the star of the show, the papaya. Choose a ripe one. It should feel slightly soft to the touch and have a sweet aroma. Slice it in half and scoop out the black seeds. Now you can either use a spoon to scoop out the flesh, or peel the skin and cut it into chunks. For this recipe, we need about 2 cups of papaya chunks. Next, let's add some creaminess to our smoothie. Avocado, with its rich texture and mild flavor, is perfect for this. Half of a ripe avocado should do the trick. Just cut it in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Now, let's sweeten things up a bit. We'll use 1 ripe banana for this, peel it, and break it into chunks. If you want your smoothie to be extra cold, you could even use a frozen banana. For a tangy twist, let's add the juice of half a lime. Not only does it add a refreshing zing, but it also prevents the avocado and banana from browning. To give our smoothie an extra nutritional boost, we're adding a spoonful of chia seeds. They're packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, all good things for your gut health. Now let's bring it all together. Add all the ingredients into your blender. Pour in a cup of coconut water for some hydration and a tropical touch. If you prefer a creamier smoothie, you could use almond milk instead. Ready to blend? Start on a low speed to break up the larger pieces, then gradually increase to high speed until your smoothie is creamy and smooth. And just like that, you've made a papaya smoothie. But we're not quite done yet. Pour it into a glass, and for the final touch, top it with a sprinkle of shredded coconut and a few slices of fresh papaya. Doesn't that look beautiful? But remember, it's not just about the looks. This smoothie is a powerhouse of health benefits. The papaya aids digestion, the avocado provides healthy fats, the banana is a great source of potassium, the lime juice adds a dose of vitamin C, the chia seeds are full of fiber, and the coconut water is hydrating. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthful recipes like this one. We're constantly cooking up new ideas, and we'd love for you to be part of our food-loving community. Now it's time to taste your creation. Take a sip and let the tropical flavors transport you to a sunny beach. Feel the smooth, creamy texture, the sweet papaya, the tangy lime, and the subtle crunch of the chia seeds. And there you have it, your very own homemade papaya smoothie, ready to sip and enjoy. Enjoy the goodness of this tropical delight, knowing that with each sip, you're doing something great for your body. So here's to delicious, healthful eating, or in this case, sipping. Let's take a moment to reflect on this delicious journey we've embarked on together. We've discovered the allure of the papaya smoothie, delved into the power of the papaya fruit, gathered the essential ingredients, and finally, brought the recipe to life. A simple yet potent blend of papaya, yogurt, honey, and a dash of lime. A concoction that not only tastes divine but also holds the key to enhancing digestion and promoting gut health naturally. Regularly savoring this papaya smoothie can offer a wealth of health benefits. It's a tasty way to incorporate the power of papaya into our daily lives, helping us maintain a healthy digestive system, boost our immune system, and provide our bodies with essential nutrients. So let's raise a glass to our health and make this delightful papaya smoothie a part of our routine. Stay healthy, keep sipping on your papaya smoothie, and remember, your gut health matters. Until next time.